Okay, good morning everyone. Happy blessed Sunday to everyone. Muli na naman tayo magsisimula sa ating kapanapanabik na laban between the Xavier School No Valley versus De La Salle Green Hills. Dito sa Paya Prado League 2025. Ayan, buti nakikiayon ng internet natin. Thank you, Lord. Okay, thank you. I'm together with my partner. Ayan, shout out, partner. You know, siyempre, para mabigyan kayo ng magandang laban or mapapanood ngayong araw. Kasi minsan naglalok ang signal dito sa Claret School. But this time, thank you, Lord. At okay, ating live. Maya tayo magsisimula na sa ating laban. Dito tayo magbe-base. Dito tayo sa harapan ng scoreboard. Meron tayong 1 minute and 45 seconds para sa kanilang warm-up. Sa aking kanan ang La Salle Green Hills. Ayan, sa panguna yan ng kanilang big man na si Sam Esomchi. Pero ayan, nandun pala. Nandiyan sila Ibanez, Sam Dylan Paras was there. Si Bote nandito rin para sa kanilang mga small guards. At sa aking kanan, ang kaliwa, ang Xavier No Valley. Ayan, shout out po to all the parents from both teams na nanonood sa ating venue. Ayan, nandito sila. I hope na okay ang ating signal, ang ating lightning. Meron tayong 40 seconds para sa ating pagsisimula ng ating laban. Good luck both teams. Baka mahulog, brother, ingat . Kamusta ka dyan, brother? Ingat baka yung cellphone. Nisa? Okay lang. Mamalaglag. Bukas yan Careful lang talaga. Shout out tayo kay Ma'am Lids Dixon Paras and kay Ma'am Wese. Happy viewing po. Okay, Ma'am Wese, brother. First ball, mapupunta sa Lasal Green Hills. There's the foul. D-line. Uy, out of bounds. Steal. Out of bounds. Number 8, handoff. That's a traveling. Number 8, all the way, basket is good. Somchi, there's a foul. Basket is good para kay Samo. Somchi.
Player.
Para man natin makakabisado natin. Thank you. Somchi to Cacho, no good. Cacho, number 7. Number 72. That is Galliano Tan. 3-point. Score. Gets the 3. Wala. Paras with the strong drive. Official score is 6-2. Number 8. Steal. Baitan. Galliano Tan and 1 by jersey number 72. Galliano Tan. Ayan, partner. Sa mga splashy player yan ng Lasal Green Hills na nagpapakitang gilas na sa labang to. First shot is good for 3-point play. Let's go. Wow, lang Xavier. Ayan na. Number 28 out of bounds. Cacho. Buerzo into good. Somchi with a strong drive. Akin na to. Basket count and 1 para kay The big man, Somchi. Time remaining 7 minutes and 32 seconds. No good. Rebound again. Galliano-Tan, no good. Somchi with the putback. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Lasal. Oh, another 3-point. Is it a 3-point by Cacho? Pass to Galliano-Tan. Basket. Or Galliano-Tan. Time out. Xavier Nobali. Official score 13-2. Kaya natin kung na-count ba yun. Pass out. As of now, official score po natin is 13-2. In favor pa rin sa Lasal Green Hills. Let's go. Sumisigaw sa gilid natin. Let's go Xavier. Yan natin ang sinabi ni coach sa kanyang mga boys. Oh, steal by number 9. Warzon. Warzone. Pass to number 7. Pinasa kay number 15. Sa loob. Steal by Somchi. Pass to Warzone. Outlet pass. Cacho 4-3. In and out. Rebound by number 29. Steal. Pass to Paras. Basket is good. 19. Steal by Paras. Paras. Basket. Official score 21. Another steal. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Let's go. Uy. There's a foul. Number 15. Wala. Offensive rebound ng Lasal. Uy. Out of bounds. Is it that 8-second shot clock violation? Number 4 to number 24. Sidestep, and there's a foul. Ibanez sa loob. Basket. There's a foul. Wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound dito ng Xavier. At there's a foul. So madami na ang foul ng Lasal. Time remaining 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Bad pass. Out of bounds. Bola ng Lasal. Time out. Lasal Green Hills official score 23-2 with the time remaining 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Saan yung part na yun? Okay lang. Okay. Ang masabi mo sa laban ng Lasal and Xavier? Mukhang dominate ng Lasal ang lane. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Eroles maglalabas ng bola. Eroles pass to the corner. Sa loob, Ibanez, and there's a foul. And shooting on the line, jersey number 45, Ibanez. Basket is good. Jump ball. Bonetti. O Bonete. Time remaining 4 minutes and 29 seconds. The number 10 pass to Sagan for 3. Or Sagan for 3, no good. Ayan na ang Lasal. Oh, wala. Basket by number 16. That is Pasok Kogin. Ayan na, number. No good. Number 16 again. Pasagonin. Or Paskogin. Jersey number 16. Na magawan. Here we go. Let's go. Xavier. Number 7. Pass to Segun. Segun to number 8. Fake. Stop and pump. Short. Out of bounds. Lasal Green Hills basketball. Ibanez to number 4. Back to Ibanez from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 10. Pass to number 16. Bounce pass. Steal. Ayan na. Dire-diretso. Uy, wala. Rebound ng Xavier. But there's a foul again sa Lasal. Parang penalty na ata or fourth personal foul. Warning for Lasal for penalty. Number 32, pass to number 6. Number 6, umatake, wala. Rebound ng Lasal. Bounce pass. Spin, steal ng Xavier. Ayan na ang Xavier. Sidestep. Using the board. Wala. Rebound. Ooh. Ayan na. Floater. Yes, sir. By jersey number 55. Coronel. Yakags, ano ba sa akin yung ano? Dominate na ng Lasal Greens at napako na sa 2 points ang Xavier dito. Let's go, Xavier. Number 6 to number 8 from the corner. Short rebound by number 24. Outlet pass. What a nice defense para sa Xavier. Oopsie, that's a technical. Technical ang number 85. Number 85 is Regalaro. Oh, Regalario. Bonus shot para sa Xavier. The jersey number 32. Number 19, and that's a traveling. Number 16. Tumira sa 3. No good. Steal. Ayan na. Number 10 all the way. Eroles. Number 10 again. What a nice shot by Eroles. Back-to-back basket para kay Eroles. And last 22 seconds. 18. Nash sa corner. Let's go, Xavier. Number 6. Strong drive. No good. Number 19. Basket. Ayan na for the last shot. Uy. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 35-4. In favor pa rin sa Xavier. Ayan, bagay tayo ng mga shoutout. Ayan, shoutout Coach Oliver Fornis and kay Sir Aaron Arcorda. Andyan din, syempre, si Sir Juan Mapua Banal. Shoutout po. At magandang umaga po sa bawat isa. Second quarter po tayo. Between the Sabres No Valley versus De La Salle Green Hills. Xavier. Number 19. There's a foul again para sa Lasal. Number 19. Number 7 at the post. High post. There's a foul. And the free throw area, jersey number 2. Second shot. Ayan na. Steal, number 7. Steal. Number 19. That's the corner. That's a 3. Wala. Di okay lang, huwag na. Dito na lang, kapitan na lang. Baka mala, delegates pa eh. Ayan pala eh, oh. Okay, kita. Let's go. Umahabol na ang Xavier. Bounce pass, stop and pump, basket. By jersey number 35. Resho. Number 7, no good. Lasal. Basketball. Number 7. Pass to. And that's it. Traveling violation. Wala rito ng Xavier. Number 29. Kick out. Steal. Ay na. Hinahabol. Dire-derecho. Too strong. Number 35. Resho. No good. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Nasa loob. Floater. Wala. Out. Official score 37-6. With the time remaining 7 minutes and 19 seconds. Ayan, shoutout po kay IBA Apasionado Mendoza. Ayan, sabi niya, let's go Xavier School, no Valley. Back to the ball game. attacking the basket. Wala. Rebound ng Lasal. Out of bounds. Sabres goal mo, Bali. Basketball. Number 8 to number 7. Hook shot, no good. Rebound ng Lasal. Ayan na ang Lasal. Nasa corner. Floater basket by Fajardo. Jersey number 44. Pass number 8. Pull up jumper. Yes, sir. Para naman yan kay Fajardo din. Sagot ang Fajardo. Ang nakikita natin ngayon. Ayan na, Fajardo. Wala. Rebound ng Xavier. Number 29. Bounce pass to Fajardo. Kick out. Pass number 19. Crossover. Pass number 32. C. Uy, no good. And shout out kay Ma'am Weng C. Go, bola rito ng Lasal. Fajardo. Ay ng Lasal. Back to Fajardo. Strong drive. Block by number 74. Same ball tayo. Down pass number 7. Number 2, kick out, gets the 3, no good, rebound by number 35. Lazaro with a putback. Just in the glass. Pabanda-banda lang. Ayan na, ang Xavier. Fajardo, kick out, C. Uy, what a nice pass. Kick out. 4-3. Yes, sir. By jersey number 15. 3-point. Double digit na rin ang Xavier. But there's a foul. Uy. Time remaining 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Nasa corner, number 2. Ayan na. Uy, there's a foul. Running shot, basket by jersey number 2. Obligar. Steal by Obligar, pero naka-recover si number 15. Here we go. Ayan ang Xavier ng Valley, but there's a foul again by number 7, Obligar. Or Lazaro, rather. And the free throw area, jersey number 74. No good. Second shot. Cacho for 3. No good. Rebound. Number 72. Pass to Cacho. Cacho. Oh, there's a traveling violation. Oopsie. Another steal. Ayan na. Cacho binigay. Number 72. Galanatan. Steal by number 15. Attacking the basket and one. Basket count ba? Basket count. And plus a foul by Segun. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. First bonus shot para kay Segun. No good. Offensive rebound para sa Xavier. Ayan na si number 19. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Lazaro. Ayan na. Number 72. Galliano. Tucacho. Stop and pump. Oh, in and out. On the free throw area, jersey number 1, Cacho. First shot, no good. Official score po natin, 43-14. No good pa rin para kay Cacho. Segun. I-discarte. Segun attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by Galanatan. Galanatan. And that's out of bounds. Out of bounds, bola rito ng Lasal. Cruz from elbow 3. Yes, para sa 3 by Cruz. 46-14. Number 10. Pass to Segun. Steal. Ayan na, Cruz. One extra pass. In and out by number 2. Obligar. Yari ka kay coach. Libre na nun. Okay, same ball tayo. Cruz. Galliano binigay kay number 4. Jump shot. No good. Ito na ang Xavier. Segun. Okay, steal ng Lasal. Number 4. Basket is good by Vivar. Number 19. Vivar. Pass to. Back to Vivar. Cruz. Please. Hindi ka na magawa. Naka-recover. Number 24. And that's a traveling violation to Bote. Time remaining. Last 37 seconds. Number 6. Attacking the basket and there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 16. Bonete. Madar yung oras. Last 20 seconds. $14 seconds left. 12. 10. Vivar. Nagay sa corner. Number 16. No good. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score is 48-14 in favor of the LaSalle Green Hills. Alright, halftime tayo. Brother. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, third quarter po tayo. Let's go. Let's go, Xavier. Tingnan natin, makakahabol tayo dito. Number 29. Fajardo, 4-3. Uy. 3-point dito. Or 3-point play. Foul si Cacho. Paano mo natatagalan to? Paano mo natatagalan?
Setting.
Paano? Okay, back to the ball game. Basket is in. By Fajardo. Wala. Wala. 16:48 po ang ating score as of now. Ay, kumagal yung oras. Sorry. Ay na. Cacho for 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Fajardo. Number 29. Pass to number 29. Hand off to Fajardo. Munti ka na maagawan. Number 7. Fajardo nabitawan. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng Lasal. Number 9, pass to number 72. Paras to Cacho. Galliano Tan. For 3, no good. Rebound ng Xavier. Steal. Ayan na, Esomchi. Dire-derecho. Basket. Number 19. Steal by Esomchi. Pass to number 72. Galliano Tan to Samparas. What a nice ball movement para sa Lasal Green Hills. For a unselfish play. Fajardo. Setting on the screen. Boy, nice pass. Number 74. Nice fake and a nice. Yun lang, hindi pumasok yun. Rebound by Galliano Tan. Galliano Tan. Pass to Cacho. Kick out to Sam. Cacho from the elbow. 3. Short. Rebound by number 19. Sabi ng Xavier, wait lang daw. Oh, munti ka na magawan ni Sam. Bola rito ng Xavier. Pass to number 7. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 74 to Fajardo. Steal by Eroles. Bote all the way. Uy, kinanan. Pero nandoon para sa putback. CV Bar. Number 15. No good. Ayan na si Ibanez. Ibanez. Pass to V-Bar. Basket is good. Number 15. Segon. Pass to E. Yun lang na bitawan. Shout out kay Mom Weng Ui. Weng C. Brother. Okay, back to the ball game. 54 to 16. Or 56 rather. Eroles. Ooh, what a nice mid pickup by Eroles. Shooting on the line by Eroles. Eroles, number 10. First shot para kay Eroles. Basket. Mahangin din, no? Eroles, 2 for 2. 58 to 16. Number 74. Number 8, 4-3. No good. Fajardo, wala. Rebound ng Lasal. Vibar attacking, drop pass. Huli ka! What a block. Monster block by Segun. Eroles. Backdoor pass. Vibar. Stop and pump. Yes, sir. 16-16. C. Pass to number 74. And that's a double dribble. Number 10. Still there. Ayan na, number 19. Ooh. Pass number 85. To number 24. Basket by number 55. That is Coronel. Gets the three, no good. Rebound by Coronel. Outlet pass. Eroles. Yes, sir. By Eroles. Number 19, fake. Wala. Rebound. Ayun na. Uy. There's a foul. Shooting in the line of jersey number 85. Regalario. First shot para kay Regalario. Basket is good. Second shot is good. .66. Time remaining, last 48 seconds. Segun, no good. Rebound by Regalario. Ayan na, Regalario, no good. Rebound by Fajardo. Fajardo, may tanga ng bola. Kundi ka na magawan. Fajardo, pinasa corner. Segun, number 19, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Coronel. Coronel. Uy, sayang, di nakuha ng Xavier. Bad pass. Obligar looking for his teammate. Tingnan natin kung makukuha ng Xavier to. Obligar. Regalario. Nabitawan. Naka-recover. Number 2. Wala. Obligar. And that's the end of our third quarter. With official score is 66 to 16. 50-point lead para sa Xavier. Or tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang Xavier dito. Lamang pa rin ang Lasal Green Hills ng 50 points. Okay. Ay, dadawa na sa ating fourth and a final quarter. Presyo. Pass to Obligar. Presyo. Obligar. Sa corner. Fake. Oy, nakalasot. Si jersey number 44. That is Fajardo. Ayan na, number 29, too strong. Number 7, wala. Rebound ng Lasal. Obligar. Oopsie. That's a foul. Bola rito ng Lasal. Number 2, attacking the basket, no good. Rebound by number 0. Number 7. From the corner. Good. Number 7. Wala pa rin. Reverse. Wala. Ibang Beresyo. Out at pass. Fajardo. Oh, daming pass si Fajardo dun ah. Ooh, in and out. Number 85. Ooh, basket. Beresyo. Sa loob. Uy, sumabay ka pa. By number 7. Regalario. Back to the Regalario. Oh, spin. No good. Time remaining 7 minutes and 44 seconds. And off to number 15. Number 7, basket. Number 0, bad pass. Time remaining 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Steal by Fajardo. Basket by jersey number 16. Paskogin. Number 7 and 1 by jersey number 7. That is Lagro or Lago. Bonus shot para kay Lago for 3-point play. 74-22 ang ating talaan. Lago, wala. Rebound ang Lasal. Uy. Hooray! Basket. By Eroles. Steal. Galario, wala. Pero nandun para sa putback. Si Paskogin. 78-22. Fajardo. Steal ng Lasal. Sorry, that's number 0. Cruz. Short. Rebound dito ng Xavier. Fajardo. Pinasa low post. Lago, wala. Rebound ng Lasal. Steal para Xavier. Fajardo attacking the basket. Wala. Rebound by Lago. Wala. Rebound ng Lasal. Regalario. Wala. Rebound by Paskogin. Basket. $80 to 22. Number 7. Basket is good. Number 85. Gets the 3. Yes, para sa 3. Ay Cruz. Stop and pump, no good. Rebound, number 16, and there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 16. No good. Time remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 10, wala. Floater by Fajardo, no good. Wala pa rin. Steal by Lago. Ay na si Lago using the board, no good. Rebound. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Lago. Lago fake. And that's a foul. What a pass, number 10. And there's a foul again. On the free throw area, jersey number 10. Oh, good. Time remaining 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Second shot is good. 25 to 83. Fajardo, 4-3, no good. Bad pass. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Number steal ng Xavier Nobali. Let's go. Ayan na, number 10 basket. 27-83. Stop and pump by Vivar, no good. Rebound. Steal by Regalario. There's a foul again. Gets the three, no good. Out that pass, number 10, wala. Ay na, nagagawan, and that's it, traveling by Newes. Di pwede tumayo dun, bro. Tatawagan ka talagang traveling. What a pass! Basket! Reverse layup basket. Cruz. Pass number 10. Uy! Ang dami moves na. Nahilo. 87. Sorry, correction. 29. Oy! Sayang. Number 10. Stop and pump. Yes, sir. 31-85. Pull up jumper. Oh, blocked by Cruz. Fajardo, too strong. Rebound ng Xavier. Ayan na. Number 0, bad pass. Fajardo, may tangan ng bola. Last touch, last shot dito si Fajardo. Last 22 seconds. Side step. Uy! There's a foul. Side step. Fine. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game para sa Xavier Nobali. And congratulations po para sa ating winning team, ang LaSalle Green Hills Alright, our final score is 85-33. Panalo po ang Lasal Green Hills. Ayan, muli maraming salamat and shout out tayo. Ayan, from Savior School, No Valley. Sabi niya kay Ma'am Ivy Apasionado Mendoza and kay Kiyoko Ann Rivera. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo and maraming salamat sa inyong pag-comment sa ating live. And shoutout din po kay Weng C and kay Ma'am Lixen Paras. Alright, hanggang sa muli po natin pagkikita. Hanggang sa muli and maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Claret School QC. Hanggang sa muli and God bless everyone. Kita-kita po tayo sa next live.